Alright, welcome back to Cloninger's Garage. Today I'm going to be taking this nice old rifle that my dad owns. Really like it. It shoots well, trigger's a little heavy. So we're going to take a trigger pull on here, test the weight, and then we're going to put in a new trigger, see if we can help with that trigger pull. It shoots really well, so if we could just get that trigger weight down and make it feel crisper, then we'll be in good shape. So, we'll do this. Woo, that feels heavy. 4.14 ounces. Let's try it again. Almost 5 pounds there. Woo, that feels 5 pounds, 3.5 ounces. It's just a heavy trigger. And after you've been shooting some of these other rifles that I've done, you don't want to shoot something with a heavy trigger. Now we're not going to put a light trigger in this because it is a hunting rifle, but we're going to try to get it down to probably 1.5 to 2 pounds and see if that helps us do anything better. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and, I know some people have a nice vise and all that good stuff, but you can just set it on your bench just like so. Works just fine. Pull that screw out. And comes right on out of there, just like so. Put that to the side. Alright, so now I've got this piece. This kind of pops out of there. Put that back later. And go ahead and take this bolt out. Yep, this is a bolt release from the bottom. Ever wondered how one of those works? There's the mechanism right there. We're going to replace it with another one that does the same. Let's see if we can punch this thing out real quick. There we go, and you can go from this side maybe. Trying to be delicate here, not so much. Not going to use this trigger again, so there it goes. Been a while since I worked on an older firearm like that. There's the trigger pieces. Put them all there, and I will be trashing that, so put it just like so, and I will worry about doing that. I'm going to clean this up a little bit and then I'll come back and we'll finish it out. Alright, so here we are. Got my trigger. This is TriggerTech. I think this is just a special. Actually, this might be maybe not even special, maybe just a primary. Yep, primary. 1.5 to 4 pounds, but I think that will be a vast improvement over what we've got here. All right, we've got the mechanism there. Let's see how it sets down in here. Alright, took a little bit more doing than I thought it would. Not a lot of talking there, but got it figured out. This old school little mechanism there. Not real smooth, probably just old. Could probably put some lube in there. Alright, let's see here. Alright, the trigger already feels pretty nice. So let's see if we can back it off a little bit. So let's back it off. Let's go. Let's see how that feels. Let's keep going here. Get it down to where I'm still hearing clicks. Alright, so let's check the weight on that one. I'm hoping it'll be down around 1.5 to 2 pounds. So let's do this and give her a check. Okay, 1 pound, 1 ounce. That's a little light. So that's less than what this says it'll go to. But this is a nice thing about these TriggerTech triggers is you can actually get them to go really low. That's 14 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it back in a few. £1 pound, 4 ounce. So if I can just keep it over 1 pound here, and if he wants it above that 1 pound, 4 ounce, actually I didn't clear it. Silly me. 1 pound, 1 ounce. Almost a pound. So let's leave it at that right there. Let's go ahead and put it back together and see how it feels in the stock. Just trying to get to where I can feel the threads catching. Make sure I seat that really good. This is really not super setup, but if I feel, I know that there are torque specs, but all right, let's see how it feels. So much better. If you can see that. Nice. I think he's going to like it. And if we need to, we can always add some weight to it Make sure that safety works. Safety's good. Flip it off. Works. See if we can get the bolt out. Make sure that works. Okay. There we go. Old school Remington 700 with a new TriggerTech trigger. Primary trigger. Just a primary trigger. Oh my goodness, that's so much better than that old relic pieces that we got right there. There it is. Well, thank you for coming. I got a feeling it's going to be, it already groups really well, shoots really well, but now I think it's going to help with some of the human error, and going from a 5-pound trigger to a 1-pound trigger is going to help a lot. Thank you for coming. Have a great day, and God bless the USA. Had to try that again. It just feels so good. Ah. That is a nice one now.